In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on an Android phone in a very simple way, perfect for beginners in 2026. Don't worry if you've never done it before, just follow these steps carefully. First, unlock your Android phone. From your home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer. This is where all your apps are stored. Now look for the clock app. It usually has a clock icon. If you don't see it right away, you can simply type clock in the search bar at the top and tap on it when it appears. Once the clock app opens, you will see different options like clock, timer, stopwatch, and alarm. Tap on the alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage all your alarms. To create a new alarm, tap the plus icon or add alarm button. A time selector will appear. Now scroll up or down on the hours and minutes to set the exact time you want. Make sure you double check AM or PM, especially if your phone is not in 24-hour format. Next, you can choose repeat days. Tap on the letters like M, T, W, T, F, S, S, depending on which days you want the alarm to ring. If you don't select any days, it will only go off once. You can also personalize your alarm by adding a name like school, a work pidabase, or workout. Then choose your preferred ringtone, vibration style, and whether you want snooze enabled. Finally, tap save at the bottom. Your alarm is now set and ready to go. That's it, you're all done. Thanks for watching.